ile ya Sifuna, ile ya Matiang'i, yako ndio sisi iko. Na tumewaambia wale wanataka kukula chama cha Raila, kama mnapenda William Ruto, wacheni na ODM, enda UDA. Sindio? I want to say this, Your Excellency. It's been a wonderful day for me. Because we were worried, watu wa Nakuru watasema nini? Wanajua Fred Matiang'i hama wamemjue. Hebu nionyesha wale wanaojua Fred Matiang'i. Harambee! Harambee! Mheshimiwa Rais mtarajiwa, I will only say 3 things. The people that you see here have expectations of you. The people that you see here, they may look that they are mad. They are not mad. It is because their lives have been violated. These are intelligent young men who have gone to school in university, who are able to run their lives, but they have nothing. They walk around as if they have gone mad. Your Excellency, when you become president, make sure you sit with the young people of this country and tell them what you are going to do with them and for them. Your Excellency, when you become president of my country, Kenya, don't kill young people for no reason. Or for whatever reason, don't kill anybody. Your Excellency, I've watched you. You are not power hungry. You are not money hungry. Please, when you become president, don't steal our money. Don't steal. You know, William Ruto thinks all of us are stupid. Every week, 10 billion. Next week, 20 billion. Eurobond, 165 billion. They are buying helicopters. They are flying around with 16 Land Cruiser VXS. They are buying houses. Wamechukua shamba hapa ya Paretran Board Nakuru. Wamechukua shamba ya NDC Farm Kitale. Wamechukua shamba kule Masaini ambao ni ya Wakuria. Anaiba shamba kule huko Lamu na Kilifi. Ameiba shamba mpaka kwa Wataita. Your Excellency President William Ruto, how much land can you steal? How much land can you take? Thank you. Tulieni, hakuna shida hapo. Now